Nature is full of mysteries waiting for us to unravel. Hidden in every corner of this world, nature never fails to amaze us with its beauty and intricacy. In this video, we will take a journey into the wild and wonderful world of nature, uncovering some of the most fascinating and mesmerizing aspects of it. We start with some breathtaking shots of landscapes that will leave you awestruck. From the vastness of deserts to the grandeur of mountains, we will take you through some of the most scenic and mesmerizing landscapes. Nature has something unique to offer in every corner of the world. As we delve deeper into nature's realm, we discover the marvels of the ocean. The vastness of the ocean and the abundance of life within it will leave you spellbound. Some of the most magnificent creatures, such as whales and sharks, are found in the ocean. The ocean is a world in itself, holding mysteries that are still unknown to us. The abundance of life within it is simply breathtaking. From the tiniest planktons to the largest whales, the ocean is a spectacle to behold. Leaving the ocean behind, we now venture into the enchanting forests, the lungs of our planet. The diversity of flora and fauna in the rainforests is certainly simply amazing. Some of the rarest and most endangered species found in the forests. They cover 31% of Earth's land surface and provide a home for more than half of the world's species. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, the forests have something unique to offer to everyone. As we explore further, another fascinating world unravels before us, the world of arthropods. The diversity of arthropods is enormous, from the tiniest ants to the largest spiders. Arthropods are the most diverse and abundant group of animals on Earth. They play a crucial role in the ecosystem and are found in every corner of the planet. Finally, as we reach the end of our journey, we witness the resilience of life. Despite all odds, nature has survived and thrived, adapting to every challenge thrown its way. Despite all odds, nature has survived and thrived. From the venomous snakes to the hardy cactus, every creature has adapted to the challenges thrown its way. As we come to the end of this journey, we realize that nature has much more to offer than we can ever imagine. Every corner of this planet has something unique to offer, waiting for us to discover it. So, let us preserve and protect this wild and wonderful world of nature for future generations.